You may have seen this lens before. It's a Samyang 14mm F2.8 f mount. Beautiful lens, beautiful structure, very well made, not very costly. It doesn't have a detachable hood. It looks like a flower, and the front element is a convex glass. There is fungus in it. I'm going to try and open this to clean it. I have not seen any tutorials to open it, but I can see the hole here and these two places from where probably we can open it. Okay, seems to be moving. The whole glass rotates with this. Let's begin. First, does this rotate? I don't know. Looks like one single element here. As much as I want, it will get clean from the front. Can't seem to figure out what was the point of taking the screws out of the back. Let's put them back together. Where is the aperture? This is the aperture and this is the focus ring. Nothing much here as well. Fixed but not clean. Oh wow. I guess the fungus indeed was on the front side. Okay, we did a good job, my friend. Free from any fungus now. Look at that shine. Congratulations, you and me. I got this for my astrophotography aspirations, but I've never taken any photo of the Milky Way so far. Hopefully soon, one day. Thank you.